For cutting in mode 2, you will connect wire with a clamp to the metal. Put on a protective tip. Start torch. Put the mode 1 indicator to position 6 and set the voltage between 210 and 220 volts. Then place the mode 2 indicator in position 6. Put on gloves and welder's helmet. Cutting metals more than 3 mm thick you can do in mode 2. To switch into mode 2 and increase the intensity of cutting, bring the torch to the metal so that the arc is connected with it. Hold the torch perpendicular to the surface. Keep the torch speed constant so there is no interruption in the arc. Do not remove the nozzle more than 1.5 to 2 mm away from the cut. In case the electric arc is interrupted, bring the jet closer to the metal to restore the arc. For turning off mode 2, press the right button to decrease the current until the mode 2 light is off. After finishing, cool the torch.